Good morning, guys. I'm in the gym right now. The thing is, I have to head to Delhi for the podcast at 11 so that I can reach Kirtinagar by 1. So I just woke up quickly and my sleep cracked in the morning. About 4 something, I was up for a while and I slept because it was really hot. I got up because of the heat. And then I slept and then turned the AC on and I slept. Then I woke up at about 8 and I rushed for the class. So it was 8:30 to 9:30 I did dance. And now I'm in the gym. I'm working out in the gym, that's the gym. Right, and after the gym I'm just doing my crunches. I'll do about 60-70 crunches. And after that I'm heading straight to Delhi. I'll have some breakfast. And after that I'll head straight to Delhi. That's the plan for the day. After that I might go to my sister's place because I need to get some food because my mom's there. So yeah, I hope things go as per plan. Let's see. Bye. See you later. Hey guys, I'm at the metro station, Rajiv Chowk right now. I'm heading to Kirtinagar for the podcast. Nikhil, that's his name. He's a podcaster. He hasn't sent me any questions so far, so I'm all in suspense what questions he might ask. But I'm excited. I've been looking to get on a lot of podcasts, so I'm trying to make it as excited as I can. So I'm waiting for the train right now towards Kirtinagar. Let's see how it goes. Obviously it's a very crowded station. And coming from Gurgaon to Rajiv Chowk is not that hard. Going from Rajiv Chowk to anywhere. You land at Rajiv Chowk and you find a sea of people coming at you from all over the place. And you're like, where the fuck do I go from? But that's how Rajiv Chowk is. I'm in the center of Delhi. So I'm heading to Kirtinagar right now. There's a lot of people already. This metro is going to be crowded. But looking forward to the podcast. Let's see how it goes.
But वहाँ सीवी डाल के तो मुझे लगता है मेरी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी गलती है और मैं बता नहीं सकती।
Hey guys, I'm in the studio now, and this is an example podcast I'm watching right now. And the podcast will start in about 10-15 minutes. I'm very excited. It looks good. And they have a great editing team. So what I'll try to do on the podcast is trying to make people happy, which is the goal of anything I do. I'll try to crack jokes, I'll try to talk about happiness. Let's see what questions he asks me. But it's gonna be good stuff.
आपको हेल्प करने से ऐसा क्या कर दिया
और कोई भी हेल्प होता है यार। हम स्टाइलिंग कर रहे हैं, मेरे सैलून में स्टाइलिंग करते हैं, लड़कियों को बोलते हैं पिन बॉक्स लेके और स्प्रे लेके।
This is how it's gonna look like. I guess it's about 7:30 right now. I came from Delhi and I found that I was really tired and sleepy because I should have been sleepy, right? Because there's a fucking lizard on the floor running all over the place. What nonsense. I don't know where these lizards come from. I keep the doors closed, but they somehow sneak in. Anyway, I'll see what to do about it. So I realized I was really sleepy. While coming in the metro, I was almost like, I found it hard to open my eyes because in the morning, around 4 o'clock to about 6 o'clock, I was up for some reason. And I was singing songs, old songs that I used to sing when I was a child. And I sang a lot of old songs in the morning in my room by myself. I sang a lot of old songs, almost all of them. There's a song my father taught me and my sister, and I still remember that song. It's called Sassi Punnu Nal Pagyo Judai Punna. Sassi Sutti Nal Pagyo Judai Punna, which is a song about Sassi and Punnu, right? Who were two lovers, and Punnu left Sassi while she was sleeping. So Sassi Sutti Nal Pagyo Judai Punna. Let me do something about these lyrics first. Hey guys, so I'm in the club now. The show is about to start. There are about 10 tickets. It's a Tuesday. And 10 tickets are pretty good for a Tuesday. There's a lot of work I need to do in the club also. I'll do it. I've been a bit slow on that, but I need to curate more shows, talk to more comics, Indian International regularly. I'll figure that out. It'll be kick-ass. There's something irritating that's happened, but that was scheduled to happen. So I'm dealing with it mentally right now. But that was scheduled to happen. It's supposed to happen. I need to deal with that and keep myself focused on the work. I'm very happy with the podcast that happened today. The studio turned out to be way better than my expectations. It just came out of nowhere, and let's see how the video comes out. Looking forward to that. Hey guys, a day review. I'm really tired and sleepy right now. It's about 11:30. I think it's because of last night. I got up in the middle of the night and about 4 o'clock my sleep cracked and I was up for like about 2 hours last night. And I was singing songs. Some really old songs that I used to sing as a child. Somehow I had nothing to do and somehow singing songs for 2 hours. So that's why I didn't think. So that's why I'm probably sleepy. And the highlight of the day largely was a podcast I recorded with Mars Studio. I went to Kirtinagar today in Delhi to record a podcast. I think it's been recorded well. I'm looking forward to how it comes out. Should come out within a week, and I start putting on Instagram and on YouTube, of course. The whole podcast will be on YouTube, so do watch it once it's out. I'll share the link. Did the gym in the morning again because I had the day packed after that, and hit the stage today. Again, I did like decent 15 minutes. Good crowd. So happy with that, and there are some irritants in life, but that's life. So I'm at my sister's place now. I'm gonna sleep because I had to come here and I need a bunch of food and mom's also here. So that's about it largely. Good night.